Hey guys, welcome to the channel, and in this quick video we're fixing Roblox error 268. So guys, firstly, what does this mean? So this error usually means Roblox has forced you out of the game because of unexpected client behavior, so don't panic, I'll share the fixes. So sometimes error 268 happens after Roblox updates or when there's a glitch in your session. I just always restart the Roblox app or browser, and if that doesn't work, I restart my device completely. Also, if you're running any third-party Roblox scripts or cheat software, they can cause Roblox to instantly kick you with this error. Then, guys, also, if you want to try fixing this in more technical way, press Windows R, then percentage, local app data, percentage, go into this folder, search for cache, and delete all of the cache in here, guys. All right. So download the cache folder and also the download folder. And also, guys, if nothing works, just go ahead and just remove Roblox and then reinstall it again. Just download the latest version from the official websites. And these should fix this error. All the important links are in the description. And if this helped you out, remember to like, subscribe, and hit the bell. See you soon.